Hey guys, this is Cali291 and I'm just going to show you my BMX bike. It's a hyper bike, and yeah, so just going to show you around the bike handle. Right here we got the hyper grips. Right here, I'm pretty sure these are hyper handle brakes too. Front and back ones. This is a hyper seat. This is a Haro chain. And what else? Oh, like these cranks or whatever. These are um these are Haro also, and these pedals are Hyper. I'm not sure what brand these pegs are, but I just know a good brand. And yeah, the tires are. Let's see. Okay, these are Hyper 20-inch wheels. They are multi-terrain or something like that. I don't know. So yeah, subscribe to my channel for more. And yeah, thanks for watching. Bye.